It appears like there's a problem in the judiciary because a fresh petition has been filed at the Judicial Service Commission seeking to remove High Court Judge Said Juma Chitembwe. Francis Wambua wants Chitembwe kicked out, claiming he's not fit to hold office due to his alleged involvement in corruption.
Wambua has implored the JSC to expeditiously hear and determine the petition tabled seeking to oust Justice Said Chitembwe from office. Wambua argues that he has tangible and credible information that the judge used his relative as a proxy to conduct dubious land dealings that have acted in a deal that involved the ousted Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko. Wambua also claimed the judge has been using some of his relatives as proxies to cover up his corrupt dealings. Wambua further claims that he is in possession of telephone conversations between the judge, a group of lawyers who had approached the judges to rule against Sonko in his petition blocking his removal from office. He accuses the judge of demonstrating open bias and malice when handling Sonko's cases. Elsewhere, the High Court has declined an application by the Attorney General to suspend the implementation of the 4-month jail term handed to DCI boss George Kinoti for contempt of court. Justice Anthony Mrima noted that the AG's application was filed a day to the lapse of the 7-day window granted to Kinoti to surrender to prison authorities and start his sentence. The matter will be heard on 25th of November. Finally, Chief Justice Martha Koome has urged the new salaries and remunerations representatives to the JSC Abdullahi Abdi to uphold the Constitution and the rule of law to ensure Kenyans get services.
And what you should do always is to bear in mind these constitutional laws as you discharge your mandate of setting and reviewing the remuneration and benefits of state officers and advising on the remuneration and benefits of other public officers.
She was speaking during the swearing-in of Abdi as a member of the Judicial Service Commission.